welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chris Han. My Instagram is chrishanxoxo. This video is sponsored by Cricut. I'm super excited to show you some customized t-shirts for my daughter Luna, this baby Luna shirt. She's 18 months old. I always like to dress up with her and shoot some mommy and me photos. And they're perfect. And this mini t-shirt and this is my t-shirt and they're so cute. And also I have some other designs like this one right here. This is so perfect. Perfect for spring and summer looks, and this one for myself. You know, as a mom, especially a daughter mom, I always like to dress up with her in matching styles, but it's very hard to shop some unique styles in our sizes, and it's very expensive to customize at stores. So that's why I use Cricut to customize to print t-shirts. Trust me, it's actually very easy to print t-shirts and customize t-shirts with Cricut. Now I can get so many different looks, matching styles with my daughter without shopping around. So in this video, I'll walk you through the machine and show you how I do it step by step. I promise this is beginner friendly. This could be much easier than you thought. But if this is new to you, Cricut is a smart cutting machine that allows you to create personalized projects with hundreds of materials. Cricut machines work with this software called Design Space. It comes free with your machine. This is where you can create your design, personalize your design. You can also browse from hundreds of images and fonts from this software. It's really easy. Once you've done your design with Design Space, it'll send your design to the machine for cutting. Cricut Explore 3 works with 6 different tools and over 100 materials. It's really a powerful smart machine, and I've done some projects with this machine before, and here is a previous video how to customize personalized labels, and you can check it out. Cricut Explore 3 is compatible with smart materials for super easy and super long cuts without a mat. I love the new features. This is so easy and I can just load and go. To start with, plug in the machine first. On the left side, press open. It's a very soft open. On the right side, you see 4 different buttons to control the machine. You see power, load, unload, start. Next one is pause. Here in the middle is the cutting unit, clamp A and clamp B for the cutting tools. Now clamp B is loaded. And some small compartments for your accessories and the tools. They come in handy. For today's project, I'll be using Smart Iron-On. When you load the material, make sure the shiny side is facing down. Align your material with a roll holder like this. Open your design space to pull out your design. The design is already on my canvas. Just press canvas. Just confirm the size again for the t-shirts, and then press make it. Select without mat for smart material. Make sure you turn on the mirror button for iron-on material. Again, you want to check if the shiny side of the material is facing down. Insert your material through the roll holder. Select material Smart Iron-On. The machine will load the material after you press the load button. It'll go through the material roll and make sure it's long enough. When it's ready, press go. The machine starts right away. You don't have to worry about it. Just let it take care of the cutting. Cricut Explore 3 is much faster than the previous version, and this machine can finish this cut in less than a minute. When it's done, it stops automatically, and your app will also show the completion. Press OK to confirm the completion. Just unload the material by pressing the load button again. Trim the material using the roll holder. Okay, so these are my cuts. And then remove any unwanted material of the cut. You can use a weeder. Just remember that your design is mirrored, so the unwanted area is also mirrored. You can always flip to check if your design looks correct. Just repeat the same steps for the next cut. Assemble the cuts by sticking the liners together. For heating, I'll be using Easy Press 2 and the press mat. How to apply heat, don't guesstimate it. You can just follow the heat guide for your materials and the tools. It's all on Cricut website. Once you fill out all the information, it'll generate a heat guide for you. This is really helpful. I've linked it in the description. Check it out. Now just follow the steps. Turn the heat press to 315 degrees. And give it some time to reach temperature, and it's pretty quick. Place your t-shirt on the easy press mat. Make sure there is no wrinkle. Preheat the tee for 5 seconds like this. By the way, you can order your blank t-shirts from Cricut. And then place the cut on the t-shirt with the liner side up. Feel free to make adjustments since it's not sticky. For this material, I need a protective sheet. Now this step is important. Press the front of the t-shirt for 30 seconds with light pressure. I really like using Easy Press too because the size is perfect for t-shirts. Now carefully flip the t-shirt. Make sure you lay it flat and remove any wrinkles. Press another 15 seconds with the same temperature. Okay, now the heating is done. Just wait for the t-shirt to cool down. Slowly remove the liner when the t-shirt is cool to touch. This is important. Don't remove it when it's still hot. It'll mess up the whole print. Okay, so the first t-shirt is done. Such a cute t-shirt for my daughter. It's exactly what I wanted. Next, for my own t-shirt, just repeat the same steps. Preheat the t-shirt for 5 seconds like this. Place the cut and the protective sheet. The cut is a lot bigger. Make sure the sheet covers everything. When everything is ready, give it a good 30-second press with light pressure. Not all the materials will require a protective sheet like this. For example, 100% cotton won't need a protective sheet. You can press the heat directly onto the liner. But it's easy to figure out. Just follow the heat guide from Cricut. And wait a little bit for the t-shirt to cool down and remove the clear liner. Now you see this is perfect. For a design, you can create your own or select from the existing designs on Cricut Design Space. I picked this cute rainbow design. It'll be perfect for mommy and me looks. Since you've learned it twice, the steps are exactly the same. So I'll just fast forward the video and show you the final results. You see, this project is really easy. You can definitely try it at home. These t-shirts are like professionally customized, but it's all done at home. So for my mommy and me looks, I don't have to shop around and pay premium for the customized t-shirts. I can just make my own design with Design Space and print her name on the t-shirts or unique designs I like on the t-shirts. It's just so easy and it's a lot more affordable. And of course, I'll do more customization for my daughter, put her name like on her jacket, on her hoodie or dress. It'll be really cute. With all being said, I really enjoyed using my Cricut machine. It's like a dream come true for me. Just so you know, Cricut machines are very powerful. They're great for so many different DIY projects. If you have some other projects in mind, you need a tutorial, or you have any questions about t-shirt customization, you can leave a comment down here. For today's project, I have all the resources and products linked in the description. You can check them out and have fun with your own design. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!